Alright, so this is our little walk around of the 2008 Monterey 268 SS. So let's just start here on the swim deck. And of course we have the sun bed and open the door here. And then when this seat here lays down, that extends your sun bed. But then also the engine bay is down under here, and then this flips forward so you can walk down into the engine room. Okay. Alright, so under this seat, a cooler sits here, and you also have drains right there. This seat as well also takes a cooler. You can see the notches for the handles. And under this seat here, you have your battery switch. Then we have the captain's seats, which they are upholstered, so they will fold up and you can sit up high. I like sitting up higher in the captain's seat. I like looking over the windshield. So then you have the bow, which is very significant seating. You got the two recliners, which you can fully extend your feet and have seating up in front as well. So you probably got room for probably 5 people up here comfortably. And of course there's storage under all of this. So you got storage in there. We just got our life vest in there. And then and the other side's the same. And then this front one is another cooler with a little bit of dirt in it. And a drain over there on the side. If you haven't already watched part 1 of this reupholstery series, it's linked in the description below. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.